Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for academic research assistant. So I will be on ChatGPT and make sure you will have logged in. So ChatGPT can significantly assist in academic research through various applications like generating research questions, formulate clear questions by providing relevant prompts to ChatGPT. Example, I will just ask for ChatGPT to research a journal physics questions. So if I just paste it, a simple question is what is the difference between mass and weight and how they relate to gravity. I will just tap on it, and this is the ChatGPT assistant is for writing for me the solution and define the all this mass and weight full form in academic research. So here you will see the ChatGPT assistant will write it for me. So this is you can just use it for your studies and academic research. And if I just you can also creating an outlines development structures. You can just summarizing lecture, summarize complex paper and identify key concepts. And if I just tab on new chat, and I will just write a page paper which is on American history. So if I just copy it and put it in the chat GPT simply, and before you will just get to enter, what gonna do, you will just move in the top, and you will just simply write it here. You will just simple write it here like summarize this paper into identify key concept. And I will just go for the ChatGPT assistant. So if I just scroll down, so here is the ChatGPT assistant. So basically it is on American history paper. So I will just give them command to ChatGPT, give me some specific keys on it. So here it will be generated a specific key for me. So this is you can just use it, and using ChatGPT effectively require a clear prompts and follow up questions to refine results. So that's it. So you can just use it easily. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.